Want to grow insanely spicy, mouth-burning, tongue-firing chili peppers? These 9 tips on how to make pepper plants hotter will help. Number 1. Choose a warm location. If you want to grow the hottest pepper plants, rule number 1 is to grow them in hot conditions. Apart from that, there are some super easy tricks below based on the experience of hot chili growers that you should follow. Number 2. Get the hottest variety. The pepper world has some amazing varieties that can bring you to your knees. The hottest peppers are Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Moruga Scorpion, 7 Pot Douglah, and the Ghost Pepper. Rule number 2 is even simpler. Make sure you buy hot pepper variety seeds to enjoy the heat in your cuisine. Number 3. Limit watering. This simple trick really works to grow hotter peppers. However, this doesn't mean you should keep your plants thirsty, just don't overwater them. Mostly, gardeners should water when the plant looks a bit droopy. This tip of moderate watering works best when plants begin to set fruits. Number 4. Use Epsom salt. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and pour it around the base of your pepper plant, following your usual way of watering. Do this in the interval of every 3 to 4 weeks. Number 6. Escape from cross-pollination. Peppers can cross-pollinate as they are closely related to each other. It means that a hot pepper planted near to a mildly hot pepper can cross-pollinate, and the result will be the fruit that is not as hot as desired. Therefore, grow different varieties of peppers at a good distance from each other. Number 7. Add sulfur. To make your peppers fiery hot, give them a dose of sulfur in the soil. You can put unlit matches into the hole before planting your pepper plant. Since match heads contain sulfur and are available at cheap rates, they can be used to add extra fire in your peppers. Epsom salt also contains sulfur. If you're applying it, skip this. Number 8. Keep the peppers under stress. Stress boosts the amount of capsaicin in the pepper fruit, and you can do this by mistreating the plant by snapping off a few leaves, stems, or fruits. This behavior imitates the harm caused by insects and animals and compels the plant to produce more capsaicin, which is a compound that makes peppers spicy. Number 9. Allow peppers to age. Just like wine, the longer a pepper ages, the hotter and spicier it becomes. The amount of capsaicin in the fruit increases with time, and this is the substance that makes peppers spicy and hot. Consequently, wait till the green jalapenos turn red and get your eyes teary while you eat them. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.